Oh, welcome back my gardening friends. Well, I've got an unboxing to do. I've been sent this product by Hychika, if that's how you pronounce it, to do a review. They do loads and loads of gardening equipment, and the link to their site is in the description below. So let's open it up and have a look. So this is the Cordless drill driver kit DD18F, and I've already opened it up. I've charged everything up. It does come charged, but not fully. We get a nice little bag there to put everything in. It comes with a nice little toolkit, or should we say equipment. So we've got a selection of wood drills there, a selection of metal drill bits, posi drive bits, different sizes, an attachment for some of the sockets. So this will probably come in very useful. We've got the charging kit, we've got the belt buckle. I don't normally use that, and it then comes with the charger, which is all separate. Green, red, it tells you exactly when it's fully charged, so that you can switch it off to save electric. And if we open this up, it's quite a nice drill. I have had a little play with it. It comes with the light at the front, which I always find quite useful. It's a 10mm chuck, not a 13, so the toilet brush won't fit into it. Anybody who knows me knows what I use the toilet brush for. And we've got all the torque settings, the drill settings, and the 2-speed. We'll be showing you it in action, 18 volt. And I haven't actually used it at the moment, so we will see shortly how it performs. The kit comes with a warranty card to help you out with any difficulties, and I must say I'm quite impressed with the instruction manual. It does go into detail about everything and how to actually physically use it safely, because sometimes we can always use things wrong. And officially, when we change any attachment, we should always take the battery off. See, I'm forgetting now, it's an 18mm, and we tighten it up that way. We should not be turning the battery on and firing it up, because you can quite easily damage your wrist. So let's see it in action. So this is my vertical garden. Unfortunately, because of my back issues, I can found a way of watering, but it's lifting them in and out of those straps. So to stop me from doing it, I'm going to dismantle it. So let's get cracking. I use decking screws mainly because when I do decide to dismantle something, it comes apart. You can knock nails in, get them for free, but I'd rather pay for this decking screws and be able to remove a structure and then use those screws again. Setting 2. That seems to work okay. Setting 1 is always best to use. course all the timber will get used as well. And I was going to say something then, but I've forgotten. That. Remembered what I was going to say now, but there we've got the battery settings. You might be able to see the all 3 blue lights. So I'm going to pause and record, and I'll bring you back. We'll see what we can get done and see how the old girl's lasting out. But at the moment, really comfortable, and I think it's definitely worth the money. Oh dear, what have I done? Well, the actual drill bit is still very good. There's all the screws, washers that we've taken out of that, and got a bit of a sweat on, and we're still showing 3 bars. Now sometimes using the drill constantly will drain it, and then if you leave it, it builds back up, but we've still got 3 bars on there. So personally I'm quite impressed, and like I say, the actual balance and everything else is really good, and I'll definitely update you as to how I get on with this 18 volt Hychika battery drill. So check the link in the description below for their site, and I chose this to review. Lots of other things there that you may be interested in, and as always I do a personal honest review, any issues, and I'll come back to you in a later video. Happy gardening to you all. Till next time, my friends. Ta-ra for now. Oh, what have I done? Let's open the space up a bit. Purple sprouting broccoli, perennial kale, nice asparagus, radishes, and a good old mix of lettuce. Take care, my friends. Ta-ra for now.